Hey everyone, this is the Trader Investor again. This time I'm going to do an analysis on the broader market. How did we end the day? How did we end the week? As I mentioned in the earlier video when the markets opened, the expectation was for price to open and just keep driving up. And on the downside, there were some headwinds. The previous day's low, Thursday's low, high, close, and the low being down here. The previous last week's high was up here on our way. So as we opened, I wanted to wait and see what the markets did before entering. Now, I'm going to be transparent and say I missed this opportunity the whole day. I did not enter a position. Why? Because for me, my comfort level, you can say I'm too conservative, but I look at these headwinds, and if they don't give me a dollar move, I don't enter them. And so once we clear a level, right? We cleared this level. We went up, came down, we cleared this level. Great. This next level is my target, but no dollar move. When we almost cleared this level, came down, you could say, well, I want to enter here when, this trend line breaks somewhere here, and I want to target the next one. Almost a dollar move. That would have been valid entry, and you would have been right. But for me, that wasn't my comfort level because one, we did not really clear this. I just saw it could be a strong resistance. We didn't clear it. So by the time we came back to it the second time, I have already missed any opportunity. And so there was no dollar move from the mid of Tuesday's 15-minute range to the high of Tuesday's 15-minute range. And why do I talk about this all the time? Because you see very clearly, we came there and we were rejected there. So that rejection can happen at any of these levels, right? We were here rejected. We were almost there rejected. We got here rejected, again tried rejected. This is why I respect these levels. These levels are areas of manipulation. I'm not saying that we immediately reverse, right? I'm not saying when we get here we collapse. No, what I want to see is after a rejection, break out of it. That's what I want to see. That's what I want to target. And because this happened near the end of the day, there was not enough room to target additional areas based on that. So that's why I did not participate, and I don't feel bad about not participating. So this was but overall, it was a good day for the market. Markets, SPY up $3.83, right? So $37, $38 move in the spiders in SPX. Qs are similar stories. We break out, I have headwinds. I have these highs here. I have this 15-minute range from Tuesday, mid and high. So price, as you can see, got there, rejected. So I'll draw it here. You'll see, got here, rejected, and then the next time we break it, fine, but no dollar move for me. I have this, and the high of last week, no dollar move for me. And so that's why I did not participate, even though I missed a great opportunity. Here, we failed to push to that level, but the next time we pushed through, we actually went up. Fantastic move. And then we got rejected. I didn't participate. So you will see a trend for this week. In Qs, too many headwinds for me. There was no way I'm going to enter positions when I have all these headwinds. All these headwinds, blocking my way. And even that confirms that that was not good entries in the Qs, right? We did not even break the high of the day. The 15-minute range was the high, and we failed to break that high. To the downside, there were too many headwinds, so no entry for me there as well. Now in the IWM, what I want to do is I want to extend this a little bit further. I want to keep extending this a little bit further because I want to see my accumulation distribution zone. I want to maybe, based on where we open Monday, retry my swing position in IWM and target some $5, $6, $10 in IWM. Maybe I will look at that. So that's why I extended the distribution accumulation area. In the diamonds, similar story. Now diamonds took a long time to really break out of the 15-minute range. Why? Because I see headwinds, right? Every time there's something, there's headwinds. And so that's why I did not participate. Where are my headwinds? So there was one here, which almost aligns with the 15-minute range. There was one here, which got there, rejected, and passed it, but at the end of the day, no action there. To the downside, all of these are headwinds, headwinds, headwind, 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 right? So no participation based on this. It's okay. That's how the game is played at times. And if you look, it was a short week. So we opened way up here in the diamonds, and we did not even close higher than where we opened, but we closed higher than last week. So as a week, we were up as a week, but from Tuesday to Friday, Tuesday's open was not broken. So if we look at that in all of them, in IWM was pretty much flat from Tuesday to Friday, but from last week's close, it was an up week. Qs, Tuesday up to Friday close, pretty much kind of flat, right? Because we opened here, we closed it a bit higher, but that high of Tuesday pretty much flat to that level. And then from the close of last week, a good week, an up week. In the SPYs, we opened here on Tuesday, we closed there on Friday, right? That's where we closed. We opened and closed same place. But from a last week to this week perspective, we closed down here, so it was an up week overall. We had gone down, but we had recovered. So this is how the week ended. I am going to come back on Monday and do an analysis on where I am anticipating price to go. We could be pushing for new all-time highs, or we could have a pullback. We shall see. I am not participating until I see what is going on. And over the weekend, I am considering adding some tutorials, and I will have a few of them in mind, so I'll choose one and do a tutorial for you. That's how the week ended. So hopefully you all made some green and you are patient as the markets develop and work in your favor. All right, everyone, I wish you a great weekend, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.